What is networking? Well, I think networking is just going on Facebook and chatting with my friends, no? Networks are simply things connected. Well, that's true. For example, your friendship circle, you are all connected because of similar interests, hobbies, skills, and sorts. Networks can be found in all walks of life. A city's public transportation system, infrastructures such as the national power grid for electricity, meeting and greeting your neighbors, postal systems for sending letters and parcels. But more specifically in computing, networking is the same idea, just dispersed to technological devices. Take your phone as an example. The reason that you have it is to access things. We'll cover how these devices communicate with each other and the rules that follow in computing. A network can be formed by anywhere from 2 devices to billions. These devices include everything from your laptop and phone to security cameras, traffic lights, and even farming. Networks are integrated into our everyday life, be it gathering data for the weather, delivering electricity to homes, or even determining who has the right of way at a road. Because networks are so embedded in the modern day, networking is an essential concept to grasp in cybersecurity. Take the diagram below as an example. Alice, Bob, and Jim have formed their network. Alex, Bob, and Jim. Networks come in all shapes and sizes, which is something that we will also come to discuss through this module. Question: what is the key term for devices that are connected to each other? Network